Good morning, friends. Today we discuss about the hybridization and geometry of beryllium dichloride. Beryllium dichloride, this is the inorganic part, that is the hybridization and the geometry of the BeCl2. It means that the beryllium dichloride. Then firstly we will discuss about the beryllium. The central atom is the beryllium. Then in the beryllium atom, that is atomic number is 4. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 1s2 and 2s2. Electronic configuration of beryllium is 1s2, 2s2. This is the ground state. Electronic configuration of beryllium, that is 1s2 and 2s2. The orbital diagram, that is the each s subset, how many electrons? This is the first is the number of, in the first cell how many electrons are present, that is the 2 electrons, and the second cell the 2 electrons are present. Then the s subset, this is the 2 subset, 2 electrons with anti-clockwise directions. 2 electrons is the anti-clockwise direction. Then in excited state of electronic configuration in excited state of beryllium is 1s2, 2s1 and the 2b1. That is one electron is transferred to s orbital to the p orbital. The orbitals, that is the in the s subshell how many orbitals are present, that is the 3, and s subshell only one orbital is present. Then in the 2s orbital only one electron is present. Only one electron is present. After excitation, that is this electron transfers to the p orbital. Repeat here 0 electrons. After excitation, one of the electron is transfers to the s orbital to the p orbital. S orbital to the p orbital. Then the 2 chloride ions are reacted with central beryllium atom. Then the formation of, this is the unpaired electrons. These electrons coming from the 2 chloride ions. This is the chloride ion electron. This is the chloride ion electrons. What happens in case of this beryllium dichloride? The 2 electrons, central atom is the beryllium atom and the two chloride ions are reacted with the central beryllium atom, then the formation of, that is mixing and detaching of the 1s orbital, 1s and 1p orbital, then the hybridization of the beryllium, hybridization of beryllium is contributively 1s orbit and 1p orbit, that is the hybridization of beryllium dichloride is sp hybridization, sp hybridization, hybridization is sp hybridization. Then the geometry of beryllium dichloride is, geometry of, that is the beryllium dichloride is the central atom beryllium and the chloride and the chloride ions, that is, this is the angle is the 180 degree and here angle is 180 degree, angle is 180. That is the geometry of, this is the structure of beryllium dichloride, the geometry of beryllium dichloride is yes linear structure, and the bond angle of beryllium dichloride, that is the Cl, the beryllium Cl is the 180 degree, is 180 degree. So this is the hybridization. This is the hybridization and the geometry of the beryllium dichloride. Here, first of all, we discuss about, that is the central atom beryllium is present in the electronic configuration of the beryllium is the 1s2 2s2, that is the atomic number of the beryllium is 4, and in the ground state electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2. After excited state of the beryllium electronic configuration, in excited state of the beryllium atom, that is one of the electron is transferred to s orbit to the p orbit, s orbit to the p orbit, that is 1s2 2s1 and 2p1, that is these electron transfers to the s orbit to the p orbit. Here two unpaired electrons are formed, and outer orbital, that is s 2s orbital and 2p orbitals. That's why here the mixing and deconsuming of the two s orbital and 2p orbital, 2s and 2p orbital. Here in this hybridization, the contribution or the mixing and deconsuming of having the maximum energy and the minimum repulsions. The 2s, in the 2s orbital only one electron, in the 2p orbital only one electron. Then the two chloride ions are reacting with these unpaired electrons. These electrons are bonding with one of the bond. This is the covalent bond and this is one of unpaired electron is bonding with the one unpaired electrons, and the chloride atom completed is octet, and this is the beryllium completed is, that is the two unpaired electrons are formed and two covalent bonds are formed by the central beryllium atoms. Here in this case, the sp hybridization. Why it is called as the sp hybridization? That is the 1s orbital, the mixing and deconsuming of the 1s and 1p orbital and the maximum energy and minimum repulsions. Then this hybridization, this process is known as the sp hybridization. And the geometry of the beryllium dichloride is Cl covalent single bond, single covalent bond with Cl. The angle between these between the beryllium is the S 180 degree here 180 with the structures of the beryllium, that is the geometry of the beryllium dichloride is the linear, and the bond angle of beryllium chloride, the central atom beryllium is, that is the 180 degree. So this is the hybridization and the geometry of the beryllium dichloride.